welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and welcome to week 4 of our hashtag Merry Makers Crafty collab. This is a 4-week collaboration. Join with me with all the links below, and there also is a playlist to all the wonderful collaborators that have been working each Saturday to put up a different video. So today we are focusing on gift card holders, and this is the fun little gift card that I want to be making with you all. I'm going to go ahead and do a fun little quick tutorial, but you can use this with either double or single-sided papers, and you can use it with your 6x6 pads. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how we get started. The first option is using a tag. So this is a tag die that is from Scrap Diva Designs, and this is called the Halloween Pocket Tag. So make sure you use your dies for other things beyond the season that it was initially created. So this is another way that we can use this fun tag. So the first thing I'm going to do is use my double-sided paper here, 6x6. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and decide which paper I want to be facing me with the larger piece right here. So I think that's going to be the polka dots for me. So then I'm going to go ahead and run this through my die cutter. And this is also a really good way to use your fun little ephemera pieces. So, you know, if you can get those out, then this will be just even quicker. So this tag makes for you these little tiny pieces here, tabs that you just fold over and burnish down. And it already has the score lines for you as well. So you're just going to line that up on the edge and then hold it with your finger and burnish it down. And just like that, you have a fun little quick tag. You just glue these little tab pieces down. Oop, that's a lot of glue, Nicole. And then hold it for a second here. I'm using the art glitter glue. And just like that, you have a little tag that we want to go ahead and put our little Nomi on. So I'm going to use a couple of little foam squares here. Let me get his little hat. And then we'll tie it with a cute little ribbon. Isn't he adorable? So then let's take our little ribbon here. We'll put two pieces together and go ahead and put that through the notch there. Give it a quick little tie, just a regular knot. I can get my fingers to work this morning. Good. I'll give this a snip. And look how cute that is. Fun, quick. You could put a little sentiment. You could put a little to and from on the back. Stamp it if you have those stamps. And then that's a fun way to give your little gift cards. So let's do this again, but using single-sided paper. And then we'll do one using without a die. So let's go ahead and grab, I have 2 sheets here of single-sided paper. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and again decide which one do I want in the back. And I think I want this sweater one in the back. So let me cut that. And then I'm going to go ahead and run my second one through the die cutter as well. Okay. All right, so what we're going to do, because we want this one in the back, is I'm going to go ahead and cut this. So let's see, this is going to act like this. And you're going to use these tabs, fold them up, just like so. And your other piece is going to slip right in here. So what we want to do is we're going to use our scissors, and we're just going to gently cut a little bit smaller than the score line that was on that tag. So it's hard to tell with this paper. Let me turn it over so I can see it a little bit better. I'm going to cut it a little bit smaller than that score line because I want it to be able to tuck right inside, just like that. And then I'm going to glue these together. Line up the little top piece. Give it a fun little burnish just like that. And we'll place some glue on those little tabs. My goodness, lots of glue. I just refilled this bottle and it is coming out a lot at a time. And give that a little fold just like that. Close up my glue. Okay. And then I like to save these little pieces and give it a punch with one of my circle punches or scallop circle punches. Okay, but let's go through and see what we want for our fun. Oh, isn't that cute? Let's see. A little snowflake. No, we want a little poinsettia or holly. Should do some fun little flowers, right? I'm telling you, get out your little ephemera pieces and use those. These are super cute. How about this one? Yeah, I like him like that. Okay, let me use another little foam dot here on him. Just like that. Cute little baby. Use a little glue or a lot of glue. Give it a little scrunch. And we'll set that one to dry. But I also want to give this one a cute little ribbon as well. Take a little peppermint ribbon there. Oh my gosh, it's just adorable, isn't it? I just think it's so stinking adorable. And there's your fun little gift card holders. I need to put the two in the front on the back. You could put a little dangle from it. You could put a little jingle bell. Oh, let's do that. Teeniest, tiniest bow and a big jingle bell. Doesn't really jingle too much. You have to have two together, maybe. But then they're super big. Okay, I'm going to rethink that. Needs to be a little bit smaller of a jingle bell for that. But you get the picture. Okay, let's use some single-sided paper with no die. So we're going to take the two sheets of 6x6 paper. These are, I do have one that's directional, so I'm going to make sure to put it in my cutter the correct way. But I'm going to go ahead and cut this down to 4.5 inches. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut the one that is going to be on my inside at 2.5 inches in width. So let me cut this down to 2.5 inches. Okay, I'm going to set my cutter to the side. And these are extra pieces that I'll have for something else. I'm going to turn around my paper, okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and set my single-sided paper on top of the back side of the first one. what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually end up folding this over so that we fold it and you have your single-sided paper on the inside that you don't want to fold over. So I have a little bit left there, okay? And I have a little bit extra. So let me turn this over and you're going to see I have a little bit extra. That's what we want. So I'm going to end up folding this just like so, okay? And that's going to create my inside tab, I'll show you, for the pocket. So the next thing I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and do a quick little measure. I'm using my grid line, okay, over here. And I'm going to use my pencil and I'm just going to mark this at the 2" from the bottom, right there. Okay, and then I'm going to put the fold on my grid line here. This is the fold, and I'm just going to measure over a 1/2 inch. Okay, now I'm going to cut from here to there, and I'm just going to use my scissors. Okay, I'm going to cut from there to there. Now I have this, and this is going to end up folding over just like so. Okay, but the next thing I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this on the inside here. Okay, so let me glue that together. Just put a little bit of glue, or a lot if you're like me, apparently. Just like that. Glue that down. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put glue on this tab and across the bottom. Just a little tiny bead of glue down across the bottom and on the tab. And you can fold that down and burnish it. Just like that. And then we're going to take our crocodile, or you can take a circle punch, and I'm going to go ahead and just punch a hole, just eyeball it right in the center there. Okay. Then I'm going to take my piece of scrap paper also. This is optional. I'm going to punch another hole in that, and then I'm going to grab my little circle punch. So here's my little 1/2 inch circle punch. I'm going to reach this in, eyeball center that. And that's going to give me a cute little hole reinforcer. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of glue on that. Glue that down like so. Okay, that's my hole reinforcer. Next, I am going to pick out my fun little, too brown. How about some hot cocoa with it? Okay, let's do that. And do this. And then some fun little hot cocoa on the back. Like that. And then we're going to grab our string. There's the green. Let's see, what else do I have here? I have this one, and I have this one. Let's do that. Like that, and you can stick your gift card right in there. Isn't that cute? So no die necessary. You can use just your scissors and your cutter for a 6x6, But there are a couple of options. I hope you have enjoyed this fun little tutorial, and until next time, everyone, make sure you give us a thumbs up, you subscribe to our channels, and thank you so much for watching the collaboration and playing along. Have a fun day, everyone. Goodbye.